Hello everyone. Welcome to Intro Talk of SDS Labs, and we'll jump right in. So, what do we do at SDS Labs? Programming is the closest thing we have to a superpower. This is the vision that motivates the members of SDS Labs to work continuously towards innovating with the best in the field of computer science.
At SDS Labs, we are a bunch of designers and developers who aim to encourage the development of technology and innovation in Idea Campus and beyond by learning, sharing knowledge, and solving problems. So, let's walk you through the journey of SDS Labs over the years.
In 2011, we released our first project, Live, a live streaming app for all the cricket lovers on the campus.
We followed it up with Urdish in 2013 and Backdoor in 2014.
We organized our first in-campus hackathon, Syntax Error, in 2013, followed by our first Winter of Code in 2016.
We also won our first Deloitte CTF in 2011.
Moving on, members of SDS Labs participated in various inter-IIT competitions, CTFs, hackathons, while simultaneously working on and releasing new projects like Cerebro, Rubius, Rotex, and Gasper.
Our team was the winner of the NOT Hackathon in the blockchain track.
We released ZapDB, an easy-to-use JSON database written with ease of setup and memory management of Slack bots in mind.
Our game Outrun Chase was showcased at the Go.con 2021, an annual Go.Game Engine conference.
In September 2021, we stood second in Seesaw CTF qualifiers in India and stood seventh in the world among UG teams.
In October 2021, we released Study Portal, an online portal for accessing study materials in IT Roorkee.
We triumphed at Seesaw 2021 finals by being the winners of ESC track and were placed second in India and sixth in the world in the CTF track.
Think, build, ship. These three words embody the spirit of SDS Labs. Every project at Labs starts with an idea meet where we brainstorm and come up with new problem statements and their solutions. This is followed by the building phase where we create the intended piece of software. And after testing phase, we ship or release it to the public. All of our release projects are open source and any developer can contribute to them.
Now let's have a look at some numbers. SDS Labs has an alumni network of over 100 people. We have open sourced more than 25 apps since 2011 and actively maintain them. We have had 72 Google Summer of Code selections and 5 Outreachy selections, including mentors and mentees since 2017. 10 members of SDS Labs have represented IITR at the ICPC World Finals over the years.
Now let's talk about some of our achievements. The team Blokchan from SDS Labs won the Community Choice Award in the Building Out Loud Hackathon by Solana. We won the Enoch Hackathon in the blockchain track, and we bagged the third prize globally in University's Unchanged Blockchain Bounty Hack.
We were the recipients of gold medal in the Inter-IIT Tech Meet 2019. We were the winners of Microsoft Code Fundu for a mammoth 6 consecutive years. And we won the Deloitte CTF for 5 years in a row. And fun fact, we were barred from participating for the 6th time because of winning 5 times, and this was the thing.
We won the GitHub CTF in 2020, we stood third globally in Seesaw ESC 2020, and we stood fifth in India in Seesaw CTF 2020.
We came back stronger in 2021 by being the global winners of Seesaw ESC 2021 and having second place in India and sixth among world UG teams in Seesaw CTF 2021. And we also stood second in India in the International Cryptography Olympiad.
Our alumni. We have got an extensive alumni base who are in some of the largest tech companies and academic institutions.
And startups we have spawned. Our alumni have spawned a number of startups. First one up is Razorpay. Razorpay is an online payment solution provider founded by SDS Labs alumni in 2014. It achieved the unicorn status in 2021.
Rephrase.ai. It is an AI-based video creation platform which makes real-life videos from text.
CureLink. CureLink is a healthcare startup whose idea revolves around rebuilding WhatsApp for doctors.
So this was about us. Now let's come to what we do. We delve into a lot of domains, primarily software development, infosec, and machine learning. We cover many aspects of software development like web dev, game dev, and cloud computing. Let's go over some of our projects.
Study Portal. Study Portal is the knowledge hub of IIT Roorkee. It is the center for collecting files like professors' handouts, practical manuals, tutorial solutions, class notes, etc. For all the courses, the files are preserved over the years and made available to all the students. The resource pool also has contributions from ARP. We are glad to announce that we open sourced Study Portal today itself. You can check it out at github.com/sdslabs/study portal and you can view the source code and contribute to it.
Erdish. Erdish is a portal for math geeks to try out new mathematical problems and test their mettle. Some problems require users to write code, while some would make them scribble on their paper. Erdish also hosts Endgame, an intra-college mathematics contest.
SDS Labs has dabbled a lot in the field of game development. First one up is Rubius. Rubius is our very own 2D cross-platform game engine. Written in C++ and OpenGL, it derives its workflow from a lot of popular game engines and is specifically designed for new game developers.
Rudex, the direct successor of Rubius, is an advanced 3D game engine. It offers OpenAL-based audio features, a homebrewed rendering engine powered by the Direct3D 11 API, a Dear MGUI-based custom level editor, and a powerful scripting API in a Lua environment. Rutex has gained a lot of traction in the game dev community. It was also featured on the Games from Scratch, a prominent game dev YouTube channel.
Outrun Chase. Outrun Chase is an Outrun retrowave themed racing shooting game made in the Godot game engine that provides two game modes for the players to compete in, racing and deathmatch. The controls remain the same for both, but the objective and powers of the players change. It features intuitive controls and both local and online multiplayer.
Cloud computing is another one of our areas of interest to work on. But what is cloud computing? It is the on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power, without direct active management by the user. Our projects on cloud computing consists of Jasper. Jasper is an intelligent platform as a service used for deploying and managing applications and databases in any cloud topology. Jasper builds and runs applications in Docker containers directly from source code. You no longer need to create application-specific Docker images and build pipelines. Let Jasper do the heavy lifting for you. ZapDB, an easy-to-use JSON database written with ease of setup and memory management of Slackbots in mind.
Watchdog. Watchdog is a personalized server access management tool which keeps a track of all the administrative rights attempts on the server. It provides easy granting and revoking access to servers to team members through pull requests on a key house repository. The cybersecurity enthusiasts of our campus are always looking to polish their skills in one CTF or another, and we have got them covered. Backdoor is a platform for these enthusiasts to show their talent in a competitive environment. In 2014, Backdoor opened up for users outside of IIT Roorkee, and this online CTF competition has quickly garnered over 2,000 users worldwide.
Beast. Beast is the challenge deployment tool for our CTF platform Backdoor. It performs various tasks from the syncing of challenges with the production server to building the challenge images and setting up the required services.
Data science enthusiasts in the crowd, we have something for you too. Cerebro, developed by SDS Labs, is an online platform for conducting predictive modeling and analytics competitions in the campus. Its challenges and competitions are maintained by the members of SDS Labs and the data science group.
Now let's talk about design. But before moving ahead, let's bust a myth about design. Back when we were in our first year, a lot of people had a misconception that design is a craft where professionals create visually pleasing aesthetic content. Simply put, design is all about making beautiful posters and illustrations that blow people's mind. But doesn't that sound like the definition of art? So what do we mean by design? Design is an iterative process that provides a solution-based approach to solving problems. But how do we decide that a product is appropriate for a user or not? This is where the role of a designer comes into action. The primary role of a designer is to uncover the potential problems that the user faces and also ensure that the product fulfills the user's goals or expectations. Hence, designers undergo a process to propose a simple yet intuitive way to solve those problems. You must have heard about the buzzwords like UI UX. What are they exactly and how they are different? Let's understand. First, let's begin with UI or user interface. It consists of all the items that a user interacts with, which may be buttons, text they read, images, sliders, entry fields, etc. When we talk about UX, we refer to the user experience. Designers create products which provide meaningful and relevant experience to the users. Hence, we focus on creating products that are usable. And that's why we are different. At SDS Labs, we work in an environment that is very similar to an actual company out there building end user products. Designers work closely with the developers in the entire journey of product building. This helps the designers at STS Labs design, keeping in mind the technological feasibility of the products.
Apart from our internal projects, we also conduct a variety of events like hackathons, lectures, and other competitions. Syntax Error. Syntax Error is a 36-hour annual hackathon conducted by SDS Labs for the first and second year rights. Previously, we saw 450 plus participations and had sponsors like Razorpay, HackerUp, Zulip, and JetBrains.
Makers. Makers is an annual, one-of-a-kind competition which lets you show off your awesome projects and ideas you make during the period of 1 month. You are allowed to work on your own ideas, but if you are out of one, we have curated a list of awesome ideas you can choose from.
Global Game Jam. Global Game Jam is the world's largest annual game making competition. SDS Labs conducts Global Game Jam within the campus, which is open for all the students. We are happy to announce that SDS Labs will also be hosting the same for Global Game Jam 2022, which is to be held between 28th to 30th Jan 2022. Lectures. We hold a number of lectures spanning throughout the year to introduce the latest development practices to the ITR Janta.
We open source our projects and curate a list of problem statements and resources based on our introductory internal lectures to help the IITR Janta get hands-on with the topics and promote the open source culture in campus. You can check github.com/sdslabs/recommends for books and resources we recommend. Do check out github.com/sdslabs to find our open source projects and contribute. You can also check our recommends and resources repositories to get started on your software development journey.
Competitions. We host competitions in collaboration with our sister groups. With Infosec, we host 3 CDFs annually. First one is Backdoor CDF, a CDF with considerable international reach and participants. Second one is Site CDF, an inter-IIT cybersecurity event. And the third one is Noob CDF, which is an entry-level CDF exclusively for the IITR Janta.
With PAG, we host Code Blitz, a 3-hour coding contest, and Endgame, a 3-hour mathematics contest. With DSG, we host Beginner's Hypothesis, our annual machine learning competition.
We also organize design sprints, which are basically 5 to process days for answering critical business questions through design, prototyping, and testing the ideas with our customers. We fast forward into the future and see finished products with customer reactions before making any expensive commitment. It's a great way for designers as well as developers to put on their thinking hats and exercise their minds.
SDS Labs also comprises of 3 sister groups under its umbrella, which have the same vision as ours to promote software development and extending a conducive environment for budding tech enthusiasts. These groups target specialization in specific fields such as competitive programming, data science, and information security.
PAG, the Programming and Algorithms Group. PAG is an active community of problem solvers who participate in online and on-site contests. We set problems, organize programming contests, and deliver lectures on problem-solving techniques.
DSG, the Data Science Group. Data science has been growing enormously during recent times due to the realization of its potential in the real world. With the advent of powerful GPUs and unprecedented access to vast swathes of data, new possibilities have opened up that were previously unthinkable. Working with data science and machine learning, we find it fun to extract new insights from data otherwise not visible to the naked eye.
InfoSec idea. InfoSec members continuously wish to learn how computers work at their most fundamental level. We are always behind exploiting other systems to find something interesting and useful. We regularly hold open discussion sessions and give CDFs, are the top ranked Indian team on CDF time and have been among the top 10 world's teams.
So, with this, we come to the end of the presentation. We'll be happy to answer all of your questions, and thank you guys for attending this session. We will await your questions in the chat box.
And I'm pasting a Discord link on chat. You can join that if you want to have a word with us.